Hi there, I'm Heather with WTI. A table lamp that's just the right amount of light and still putting off a nice warm ambiance is a must-have. I came across this one, the perfect bedside table lamp. I love that you can adjust the brightness. Just a simple slide of your finger up and down will dim or brighten it, but it also has a charger.
It's a great charging pad. We used it for both my iPhone 13 and his Samsung Galaxy. Also, the earbuds charge beautifully on this.
It has this beautiful, thin, natural wood piece so that you still have that warm look to it, but just as stunning at night and practical. Connects to Bluetooth so you can play music.
Great quality sound with a nice, neat package. It's just an ideal lamp to me. It's such a great size for elegance on the bedside table, but also functional since it serves a triple purpose: lighting, charging pad, and Bluetooth sound.
It's stunning. I like what it looks like in the daytime and at night.
And I love that it'll automatically shut off after we fall asleep with the 30-minute timer. To beautify your bedside, you'll have to check this gorgeous light out.
And that's my point of view.